I am a product of my generation. Nothing holds my attention for a long duration. Too much of even a good thing can leave me feeling bored. I've quit a book before reaching 20 pages. I've quit a job before my first week's wages. I'll leave a floor show if I'm not completely floored. And in April, the sun feels new and so intoxicating. But by August, it's gotten kind of old. And in September, the breeze I describe as exhilarating. By late December, I describe as just plain cold. But as with each rule, there's an exception. One thing I love through all eternity, for there never could be too much of you for me. In the arms of a lover, feels so warm and so divine. But by 2 a.m. I'm needing my own space. And on a night when the bed is mine, oh mine, it's not long before I'm longing for someone's embrace. But as with each rule, there's an exception. One thing I'd love through all eternity, for there never could be too much of you for me. Too much of you for me. No, there never could be too much of you for me.
Or you want Cheerios? Yes. Did you eat all the blackberries?
Alone I spend another night. I close my book, I dim the light. I wait for sleep to numb my lonely ache. No rest I find inside my bed, no rest but yawning thoughts instead. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. This emptiness I feel within will cloud my head and burn my skin. My mind has thoughts no minister could take. Dreams fill me up with wild desire. bed. Her fingertips start a hunger that can only be filled. Never know. Longing robs you of your peace, a discontent that will not cease. All walls of satisfaction she will break. Perhaps she breaks what she cannot mend, but she stays close and loyal as a friend. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. Longing dances through my evening prayers. She ties my wrists and ankles to the bed.